Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to swap Ethereum into Cartesi token. First of all, as usual, the first step is opening the price tracking website that you are comfortable using. For me, I'm comfortable using CoinMarketCap, and for those who doesn't have any website in their mind, please use this one because it's easy to use. Yeah, as you can see, the interface is very beautiful, very easy, and it's not a scam. No, we go to the search bar. When we type the name of the token that we are willing to buy, like us, we are willing to buy Cartesi. So we write Cartesi or CTSI for shortcut. Now we have this information right here, like the price, market cap, and other more information that you may need. For us, we only need the contract, which we'll find in the contract address right there. Now we click on the copy address. It is copied now. Now we are ready to go to the next step, which is open the uniswap.org website. We go to the launch app, connecting our wallet, and make sure guys that you are on Ethereum main network. Now we have a bunch of wallet options. We have MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase, Promatic, and Portes. For us, we will be stand by using MetaMask because it's easy and I'm comfortable using it. And for those who want it, please download it at metamask.io by clicking on download now. You can download it on every single browser, even your cell phone guys. You can download this on your cell phone. Yep. Now go back to the interface. You open MetaMask. You make sure that you are on Ethereum main network. Import tokens. You paste the address that you copied before and add the custom token, import token, and here it is in your wallet. Now you can see it. Now you add the token to the interface by pressing the address again, import, and here you go, the same name and same logo as you can see. Now you can swap Ethereum into CTSI or the reverse by clicking on this arrow. That was the video for today guys. If you find it useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. So have a great day and bye bye.